live pictures off the top of the 11. You're looking at an aerial view of Boston, where the Bruins have just won the...
Spending 16 years on the run, the FBI has caught Boston mob boss James Whitey Bulger. The 81-year-old was...
Red Sox fans have longed to hear it. The Boston Red Sox are world champions.
Shut down and has been reopened. Traffic is moving very well on the Mass Pike eastbound between exits 4 and 5.
It was a summer morning at the age of 18. I start the story in the shower, singing microphone themes, trying to figure my routine for the day. There's mad things to do with no delay in preparation for the jam around the way. I'm stepping out the shower, crossing out the calendar, picking out the afro and pulling out the gear. I hear the same sounds every morning. Sports center, the traffic, your mind loops screaming in my ear. Dip, get my thoughts slipped, thinking that my plans just barely coincide with my money clip. But get the grip, cause by the end of the day, bro, your pockets will be alright. Even before the crowd says they yo, I dead up to Lex, take the stick to the arm. My journey wouldn't feel as far if I had a car. Mama was there, so I paid my fare, but I didn't care. Till he gave it clear. Who you trying to scare? I'm passing flyers to a crew of flying sisters. A chicken from my past is acting crass, so I had to just up. My head rocks and my fingers pop till I reach my stop. Then I push my way through. Can I get it one time for the selector? That become correct in your sector. Indoors or an outside jam. Can I get it if you understand? As I exit stage right, looking forward to the night. It's official. I'ma have this party back tight like toilet tissue. What's the issue? I'm never coming whack. We never lack the latest flavors, even straight stacks. Buying records by the pack. With my knapsack filled as I chilled on the sea train, triple and plane. Let me explain. I had to check my man G's for it in my C, cause the way we beat, mine simply couldn't maintain as usual. G was on CP time, but he came through with this mic, such a speed I like. Right, my next step was to transport the system. Let's see, between me and my peeps, 5 deep weeks, still had no ride. So I hear the taxi, since the yellows don't stop and it don't quit. You know we went gypsy, arriving on the scene at about day 15 to the same routine. Some sexy brothers frontin' on my green, never that. Now I mean, check this out, black. Skip the nonsense, cause I'ma say this just once. I want the money we discussed last week. Plus you paying for my ride, I take my loot up front with no stunts, bro. Put the checkbooks away, no pay, no J, no sound play. You make no profit, understand? Plus your name was on the flyer, so your rep will be dead. What he said, not a thing. He put the cash in my hand. Can I get it one time for the selector? That become correct in your sector. Indoors or an outside jam. Can I get it if you understand? Can I get it one time for the selector? That become correct in your sector. Old school or a new school jam. Can I get it if you understand?
around. Give me a window with one-way glass. Stop me from questions I might have to ask. Give me a window with one-way glass. Give me a window with one-way glass. Give me a window with one-way glass. Give me a window with one-way glass.
Yeah. 1, 2. We ain't even got spit 16s on this. Hey yo, this the best thing that ever happened to rap. Since Big Pun was packing the Mac in the back of the act. It's like getting pulled over by police with a loaded mag and duffel bag of crack in the back. Y'all in hot water. Y'all crab that got too hot in the pot and you got slaughtered. Your manager got sorted, you got shorted. We turned around, put it out in the block for it.
Yo, I got rhymes and gas that I'm concealing. If rap is the floor, hip-hop is the ceiling. Led from jump, never was we trailing. Before you fight me, you better fight the feeling. Face it, guard, the base is broad. Edo is grimy, Ace is hard. You can catch 2 L's like your name was James Todd. A&E, avant-garde, the hit squad.
Yo, y'all dudes are similar to cinema. Trained actors like Brad and Jennifer. Joe, I got a flow like Angelina. And I'm a king like Billie Jean, promoter Don and Regina. We've been doing this as long as y'all been alive. So little boys, keep your mouth shut when the men arrive. I look mean as a when I drive the chromed out black 450 like 10 to 5.
You'll get bodied hard, so you better have a bodyguard. I get that green like Swiss chard. When the flames pop, you'll never gain props. When the game stops and your chain pops, we getting off at the same stop. I could understand the ocean by looking at a raindrop. We everywhere, you in the same spot. I'ma make it so you rappers never ever name drop.
When it's time to get wild on stage, I can spit H like Lynn Swan, Alan Page, or maybe Randy Moss in his college days when he was going through that childish phase. But listen, what you witnessing is violent rage, kinda like a lion that got out of his cage. It's the underground sound that pays. Me and Crazy Eddie go together like brown and beige.
Yeah. You a no-show, and you won't blow. The people who know aren't talking. The people who are talking don't know. You a hobo. You get ate like Ocho by my vocals.
Everybody in the rap world today, pull up a chair and ball late. Section P&P Rock, they got something to say. Coming at you with the rapture. Feel the 9 double tray. How we do it every day. What's the flavor? I represent. We from the East Coast, bringing the ruckus. It's style lost, so from the mic you get tossed. I'm penetrating through your soul, son. We taking drastic measures, striving for the buried treasure, living life forever. However, the soul brother still doing his thing, about to get you wide open off the songs that we sing. Your fiend from Mount Vernon to Queens, the extra P, about to set up shop and drop his next degree, nigga.
Yo, I break it down until the very last morsel to make you shake your torso. Also, to bring the light to what's dark like a knock on a drug bus. Niggas know the deal when I thrust over the track. They act a masquerader, get sprayed by the automatic. Rhyme addict that gets dramatic. When the beast is ill, you know the real Willie will. Come on, kid, listen how we sling it like a krill.
Got drugs and crime. Got sex, rock, got money and clothes. Got friends and foes. Projects and tax. Who knows what's next? Got love and hate. Got money to make. Come on.
The loaded SP's the ensemble. Pete rock together with Lars, the bomb combo. We raise the stakes on flakes and rock the show. Flip Master Mania, son, we got to go to the top and won't stop or flop or fold. Whether copper, gold, or plat, they hit the mat. In every section, tag team connection wide. Getting hot on each track.
Yo, the beat got me twisted. Rhymes are too delicious. You look suspicious. You wanna bite but can't grip it. Recognize the flavor as we lay it on wax. The crime dogs of the funk and never faking no jacks. Before the record, look on your face, you see rejection. It's hard to believe I liquidate
section. Let's get it on like Smith and Wesson, or don't even look in my direction. You got drugs and crime. You got snitch dropping down. You got money and clothes. You got friends and foes. There's projects and tax. Who knows what's next? We got love and hate. We got money to make. We throw bolos to the dome like Tyson. Suspend your rap license, kid. Bring on the cake plus the icing. Raw deal to all my niggas who keep it real. One love. We fitting like a hand in glove.
This shit is drugs, son.
Keep it hardcore for the thugs. From east to west, it's time to rise up above and build. So relax and chill. I make cash at will. The rap world is how I eat my meals.
So here's the gist, it's the high top Chris, funk dawns, coming through the knockout nons, in this orderly fashion, straight up the fuck flashing, my capability to bring the uncut action, to any set, beat the Queen's Lounge vet, laws so dodge and camouflage cause your pet, competition is no, I got the glow so yo, I'm truly in the world to stay, laws pro.
You got drugs and crime, you got snakes drop down, you got money and clothes. Got friends and foes. There's projects and tax. Who knows what's next? We got love and hate. We got money to make, yeah.
They might break your bones, but the 9mm it will bore your dome. I'm talking about the toe tagging, the body bagging, and the dying. Mamas are crying, casket buying, who me dying, leave my family crying. Hell no, I cause on bloodbaths and showers. Send me commissary, mother, them flowers. Thoughts of sorta of leaving my daughters. Hours and hours of fears running through my mind as I pick up the Zig-9 beat. Starts with the shove, then ends with the shovel. And standing on your corner reminiscing of you, but your ass is out and you're dead and gone. So who'd you rather be, the murdered or the murderer? Got me stressed, I grab my tech in my vest, then I sing who job bless. Let no man curse, but one of us will leave here tonight in a hearse. When we'll be tried by 12 and fertilizing Daisy, crying mamas and cousins and crying babies, due to the fact that death is a must. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. It's getting bust for in God with trust. So if you're coming to my town and try to slow the dough down, you must be casket bound, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. I saw my name in the book at your funeral. The zigs on my hip with an extra clip, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. Lottie-dottie, Saturday night and we like to party. But punks up around so we might catch a body. Early Sunday morning don't really wanna hurt nobody. See what they tryna get, I already got it. Jump just a scheming on my but do they know I got the zig on my hip with an extra clip, and I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. Murder commit, and there goes another statistic running through ballistic. The witness say I'm wicked, but that's how I kick it, cause I'll be the bastard who blast and didn't get blasted. Boy, kiss some caskets, I put your wig back, kid. Now sucker, look who died, body will be identified. Mama and papa will cry, a jazz man says he'll testify to see me try. But here's that slide upon the same corner where you did, and I'm still facing the bit, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. I saw my name in the book at your funeral. The zigs on my hip with an extra clip, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6.
Light as a feather when I'm floating through, reading through the daily news, measuring the hurt within the golden rule. Centimeters of ether, I'm heating the speaker. Motivational teacher with words that burn people. Seeing the headlines line with discord. It's either genocide or the planet in uproar. Never good. The rules in paradise are never nice. The best laid plans of mice and men are never right. I'm just a vagabond with flowers for Algernon. An average Joe who knows what the fuck is going on. It's the hope of my thoughts that I travel upon. Fly like an arrow of God until I'm gone. So drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. So I'm drifting away like a feather in air, letting my soul take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater.
Taking chances, word tap dancing with wolves in the ice arena out there deep in the woods of Arizona. The sun be out, life's ironic, ain't it trying to be Dali when I write surreal life up painted vivid. Habitat crazy insane, watching propaganda 6 o'clock, losing insane. Cultures clash, all black folk and white trash. They rebel in the cyberspace of might crash. Past to millennium, a million miles are running. Had to speed it down, bound no return gunning. Rambo style gun, old child gunning. Ambo cloud, 2 times loud, stunning. Stunning, when they hit ya, lift you off the earth like, hey yo, take you right back to earth. And niggas wonder why, they might wonder why this shit might happen, but it does. They go
drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. So I'm drifting away like a feather in air, letting my soul take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical.
is Egypt? Who 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 is Egypt?